Today we're going to give you a quick tour of some of the data dashboards available to you from the Center for Health Statistics. There are a few ways to access these dashboards. One of those ways is through our monthly newsletter, Matters of Record. Near the bottom of the newsletter, there is the Birth and Death Data Dashboard section. It has links to the Oregon Death Data, Oregon Baby Names, and Annual Reports Dashboard. We'll go ahead and click this link, and it takes you to the Oregon Vital Statistics Annual Report page. And you can see dashboards for birth and pregnancy and mortality data. You can also access this page through the home page of Oregon Vital Records and Certificates. There is an entire section dedicated to vital statistics, and the first link here is Annual Reports. If you click that, it takes you to the very same page. Today we're going to go ahead and look at the Birth and Pregnancy Annual Trends Dashboard, and that's located at the bottom of this drop-down. Okay, let's get started. When you visit the dashboard, you can see some of the tools available to you. You can click for data notes in case you're not aware of what something may mean. And you can also click for definitions of any of the terms you may come across. At the top, there are some general directions for you to follow. And in this upper left box, there are a list of topics for you and a list of years from which you can select. Let's take a closer look at births by age of mother. So to the right of the box, you can see information on a specific year in the form of a bar graph. And if you select the year, you can change the data to reflect that information. Below is information that spans the entire span of the years that are available. You can see a line graph here, and then also a data set and a chart for each specific year. If you hover over any data point, you can see specifics for what that information is, and more details of what goes into that specific data point. Okay, let's go ahead and choose a different topic up here. Let's go with births by reported tobacco use and mother's age. Okay, so we'll start off with 2023. And then we'll go ahead and go down to 2010. And you can see sometimes that information changes quite drastically. And up on the left, you can see that there's also pregnancy topics from which to choose, as well as total events. So we do encourage you to explore the birth and pregnancy dashboards, and you will get to see firsthand how some of the data you help collect and enter can be used for reporting and research.